Hello, folks, and welcome to your WYDOT weather briefing on this Thursday, October 28th. I'm day weather meteorologist Mark Huer. Well, mild and dry, high pressure coming into the state and region on Friday. Beautiful fall weather statewide for your Friday. But we've still got a strong cold front on track, and it's going to be arriving in northern Wyoming early Saturday morning. By then, Halloween Sunday, cold winter-like weather statewide. We're going to continue to be looking at some cold, below average temperatures and some areas of overrunning light to moderate snow as we get into late Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. And this will especially be true for the coldest temperatures along and east of the Continental Divide. Here for tonight, we're going to start off with pretty good looking weather conditions into and through tonight. A little bit of remaining breezy to strong winds here in southeastern Wyoming. Don't expect any high wind closures for light, high profile vehicles as wind gusts, even the wind prone areas on I-25 and I-80, only staying in that 40 to 45 mile per hour range. Otherwise, dry and chilly to cold with a few spotty snow showers, mainly up in the northwest tonight. Don't expect any travel impacts. On Friday, warm southwest flow here in Wyoming bumps temperatures up. Widespread 50s and 60s for highs in the plains, but that stronger southwest flow going to produce a pocket. Some moderate to high winds across central Wyoming, southwest winds 20 to 30, some gusts of 40 to 45 miles an hour. Otherwise, mild and breezy conditions across Wyoming. Again, a little bit of shower activity possibly up in the north and northwest, and that's especially late Friday night. And late Friday night into early Saturday morning, the Bighorns, then also the northwestern mountains, going to start to see some developing snowfall with the arrival of our strong Canadian cold front. So this Halloween weekend, what can we be expecting? We've got Wyoming right here, and this is our jet stream map for Saturday afternoon. It's showing winds at 300 millibars, or about 30,000 feet in the atmosphere. We've got a deep trough out in the Pacific that's pumping a ridge across the west coast. And it's very important for us, for it's sending the jet stream in a surge of cold Canadian air down along and east of the Rocky Mountains. We're going to be pulling in temperatures and an air mass all the way up from northern Canada and the southern Arctic starting on Saturday, and locations along and east of the divide of Wyoming all the way down to Colorado. Going to see temperatures plummet north to south over the course of Saturday. We'll stay in a fairly similar weather pattern for the first couple of days next week. This is for Tuesday. We still got a trough in the Pacific, but it's moving eastward. We've got the ridge that's now pushing into the inner Rocky Mountain west, but along and east of the Continental Divide still, we've got this cold trough of low pressure. This is for Tuesday, and it'll be locations along and east of the divide here in Wyoming and Colorado on east in the plains. That's going to continue to see well below average temperatures thanks to this cold northerly flow still pumping in air from the northern Canada and southern Arctic region. At the same time, a little bit of moisture and energy overrunning from the west, going to create some overrunning snows. We'll talk more about that in a minute. So temperatures, what can we expect? This is for Saturday afternoon. It is the northern half of the state on Saturday. It's only going to be looking at highs in the 30s and lower 40s. Not a lot of snowfall for most areas as the cold front pushes south. However, the Bighorns, Powder River Pass, US 14, 14A, as well as Togety Pass, Chief Joseph, and Teton Pass, picking up some snow on Saturday. Going to be some impacts in the northern and northwestern mountains. It will be the southern half of the state, though, that's still going to manage to eke out a pretty good day. A lot of 50s along and south of the Laramie Range. Cold front going to get hung up Saturday afternoon and won't be able to push through the state until Sunday. On Halloween Sunday, though, it's going to be a cold day. We're looking at high temperatures, just 30s and 40s on Halloween Sunday, and locations along and east of the divide will be the coldest. Out in the south and southwestern section of the state, looking at some 40s. Elsewhere, looking at 30s for highs. Also going to start to pick up some light to moderate overrunning snows. Milder, moist air of the Pacific overrunning the cold, dense air at the surface, and that's going to lead to some travel impacts as we get into late Sunday on into Monday and Tuesday. Here's one potential scenario for our snowfall starting late Sunday through Monday and Tuesday, and that is to have some impacts along the I-80 corridor, a few to several inches of snow possibly. Likewise, perhaps central and southern I-25 through Wyoming into northern Colorado. Mountains picking up the bulk of it, but overrunning snow events can produce some fairly good accumulations across lower elevations as well. Here's the snow up in the Bighorns and the northwestern mountains I was talking about on Saturday into Sunday. And one good note with this weather system, folks, is that not going to be a lot of wind with it. Even when the cold front passes on Saturday, not going to be looking at any really strong and gusty winds. And as we get this overrunning snow event that's going to set up somewhere from central Wyoming on into central Colorado, we will not see a lot of strong and gusty winds, so blowing and drifting snow will not be a big issue, but slick and icy roads, black ice, accumulating snows, and moderate to high impacts will be a threat on I-80 and also I-25 come late Sunday into Monday and Tuesday. Thanks for watching today, and we'll update you tomorrow on Friday with a final outlook before the weekend.